Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. So now, yes, I know, it's not a BMW, but you got to do something different. You can't do the same thing all the time. But this one is going to get a complete makeover, color change, new front and rear bumper, side skirts, new wheels, possibly lowering, interior. Oh man, I got to rip this interior apart because I have to get the seatbelt module out. I'm pretty sure one of the seatbelt locked up, and I'm just going to probably change the color on the seatbelt. Who knows? We'll see, but I got to rip the whole center console apart. I'm not looking forward to that. I'm not looking forward to that, but it is what it is. And yes, my M3 is still around. I'm working on the M5, so he has my car while I'm working on it. Hey, Kiwi, you got to come get your M5. The guys want to see videos on the M3. So I have a lot of videos, but not complete, so I needed to complete the rest of the videos while we wait on parts for the M5. And yeah, so there's more content on the M3, and I also have a new project which is right there. So yes, there's more content. So yes, we got more stuff coming, and we just gotta get this Benz done first. So let's jump right into it and get it in the garage so we can start working on it. And I'm not looking forward to it because, like, I know BMW is in and out, and already this thing from getting it from down there is gonna be a challenge. So here is the next project. Yes, it's not a BMW, and I got a funky jack rig under there, but as you can see, it's an auction car. And no, I didn't get it from Copart. And yes, it is raining, so you might get a few raindrops in the lens, but here we go. I'm just trying to get it in the garage. It's a GLC 300, and this thing is going to get the full treatment. Color change, different body kit, new wheels, you name it. It's all gonna be done to this thing. So the damage is this right here. The door is fine, fender is gone, hood has this little ding in there that can be repaired, headlights gone, but the major repair is right there. It ripped out of the subframe. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna see, maybe I can get it repaired. Yeah, I don't repair subframe, but it's just that one spot. The rest is all okay. We have a little damaged bracket there, but you can also get the brackets to buy. I've been looking for parts for this thing already, but yeah, I can't wait to get this thing in the garage. I'm just waiting on some help to come push it in. And here we go. We got the foot airbag, steering wheel, and the roof airbag is blown. And this thing is a tan interior. Everything is in such good shape, man. I mean, just look at these seats. They are in really good shape. Oh, this is the rear wheel drive. This is not the all-wheel drive model. Oh, skid plate. I didn't even see that before. So you can see the bag is blown there. So wait, yep, I'm trying to find all these parts right now. But yeah, so once I get this in the garage, we can go over it fully because this weather is just turning nasty. And once we go over it, I start looking for parts already, so now I know what else to look for. But yeah, this is it right now. I guarantee it won't look like this when I'm done. So I'm going to try something really sketchy. I'm going to try to get this car in the garage with that dolly I made. The wheels broke off. I think I broke it twice already. But this time I really bolt the wheels on so they shouldn't go anywhere. But it's sketchy, so let's see how far I can get before it breaks, because I know it's gonna break. It broke twice. It's a good idea if you're rolling on a flat surface, but to get it from where it is, it's not flat. So let's see what happens. Well, the wheel broke. Not the wheel, the wood broke. But as you can see, I got it in the garage, but yeah, it barely made it in here. But if the wood, it's not pressure treated, so that's probably why it broke. Because the other piece there, if it was this piece here, it would have been fine. But this is just so dried out, it's not even funny. It's not pressure treated, that's why it broke. Well, we finally got into the garage with a lot of broken backs. Later, I know I'll be getting cussed by Frank later how I broke his back, right, Frank? But we put a new battery in there. I tried to scan it, telling me that the battery is too low. So I put it on a tender for now because I want to see if I can get it started, because I don't know what's blown, what pyrotechnic fuse that's blown. I tried to scan it, but it says, oh, I don't think this is even gonna focus. Oh wow. It says power supply is too low. Connect the charger to the battery. So I'm gonna do that and wait to see what happens. But in the meantime, let me show you what damage it has on here. All right, I'm just gonna cut out this airbag so I don't have to deal with it. Always in my face. So this one, I don't wanna. I gotta be careful. And just this one down here. Yep. She's all good. So the fender is pushed back. He's trying to do it. Oh, it doesn't make that noise anymore. Thank God. Oh, you are good for something. Thank you, sir. This thing used to make a lot of, you know, bang sound. Now he did that, so I'm gonna get the fender off later. But as you can see, headlight is gone, crash bar is gone, but the major thing with this car is control arm is completely ripped out of the subframe. Where? Right up there. It's all mangled. So once I get it up on the jack, I'm gonna have to, you know, put the engine on hoist and dismantle all this. I'm not ready for any of this yet, but hey, I also have the parts already too, so that's good. Just look at how egg-shaped this rim is. Man, it hit hard. Just look how egg-shaped it is. And now I know why, because it hit hard there. But man, that's what broke the rim. Oh, yep, there it is. That's what broke the rim. You can see the imprint in it, so he hit it hard. Wow. So no wonder. So I got, yeah. Nothing else seems to be bent, but I guess I'll find out. But I have a lot of these new parts anyway, so I will see. But man, I have never seen that before. That goes to show you how strong that part is. But wow, so new fender liner for sure. Damn. Caliper is fine though. There was nothing wrong with the caliper, so that's a good thing. Now I've been looking on the hair, and the only damage, like I said, I can see on the hair is the scuff marks there. There, that rim is damaged. The broken subframe there. And I think that's pretty much all the damage under here. All the shields were in good condition. That scuffed up stuff there, but I have new ones anyway. And oh, that's bent right there. And the big surprise is, I gotta come out and, what the heck? I gotta come out and I'll show you that one. There. So this one is no good. I'm trying to find one, but trying to find one rim, because like I said, you're gonna get new wheels and tires, but trying to find one rim is a pain in the ass. This side skirt is damaged, but it's getting new, like I said, a new body kit anyway, so that don't matter. That was gonna come off anyway. But that's as far as I'm gonna go for this video. The next one, I'm gonna try and get it started. It's been a pain in the ass. Every time I try to scan it, it's telling me to connect the battery is too low, and it's a brand new battery, so I don't know yet. Just look how dirty this thing is. So before, I want to wash all this off first, but I want to get it started before I wash it off. But before I do that, I gotta do a lot of testing and stuff and tape up a few wires to make sure no water get into it. But for now, I'm gonna start doing some testing and see what the issue is. Well, that's it for now. So on the next one, I'm gonna start ripping out this whole thing apart so I can get to see if there's any further damage under there. And then by that time, some parts should come in. Actually, some parts came in already, but I hope by the next video, the subframe comes in so I can start putting that together. All this thing gotta get ripped apart. The seat belts. Oh, I have to rip it apart to get the module out. The seat belts are gonna probably, one of them is probably locked up, so I'm just gonna change the color in the seat belts, and among other things. But you gotta wait. You have to wait for the next video to see that. But that's gonna be it for this one. So stick around.